हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू सौरभ सिस क्लासेस। मेरा नाम अश्मिता है और आज के क्लास में हम लोग CDS एग्जामिनेशन के बारे में डिस्कशन करेंगे। आज का क्लास स्पेशली होगा ऑन द नोटिफिकेशन फॉर द 2022 एग्जामिनेशन जो होने वाला है इन द मंथ ऑफ अप्रैल। एंड चलिए पहले जान लेते हैं कि CDS एग्जामिनेशन आखिर में है क्या। एंड ये UPSC के द्वारा कंडक्ट किया जाता है, तो ये कंबाइंड डिफेंस सर्विसेज हैं जो होता है 2 बार, साल में 2 बार ये कंडक्ट होता है। ये एग्जामिनेशन कंडक्ट किया जाता है टू हायर कैंडिडेट्स फॉर द पोस्ट ऑफ सर्टेन कमीशन्ड ऑफिसर्स। ये एक नेशनल लेवल का एग्जामिनेशन है एंड जो 2022 का एग्जामिनेशन है उसके लिए वैकेंसीज निकला है 339। CDS एग्जामिनेशन कैटेगराइज किया जाता है इन 2 पेपर्स, दैट इज पेपर 1 एंड पेपर 2। जो एस्पिरेंट हैं, अगर वो इस डिफेंस सर्विसेज में कुछ करियर बनाना चाहते हैं, देन यू हैव टू गेट इनटू इंडियन नेवल एकेडमी और यू कैन गेट इनटू इंडियन एयरफोर्स और इंडियन मिलिट्री एकेडमी। जो एस्पिरेंट्स हैं, अगर वो ऐसे डिफेंस सर्विसेज में करियर बनाना चाहते हैं, लाइक इन दैट ऑफ इंडियन नेवल एकेडमी और इंडियन एयरफोर्स और इंडियन मिलिट्री एकेडमी और इंडियन ऑफिस ट्रेनिंग एकेडमी, उन लोगों को प्रिलिमिनरी एग्जामिनेशन भी क्लियर करना है प्लस मेंस लेवल का एग्जामिनेशन भी क्लियर करना है। इस एग्जामिनेशन के लिए जो एप्लीकेशन निकलने वाला है वो आपको ऑनलाइन मोड में सबमिट करना है, फिलअप करना है। यू हैव टू गिव अ पेमेंट like the examination fee payment, your form fill up payment, that is your application fees for the unreserved category candidates and for the OBC category candidates. You all will have to pay rupees 200 at the end of your form fill up, that is through online mode. And female और SC ST candidates के लिए फी कुछ भी पे करना नहीं पड़ेगा। भले ही एप्लीकेशन मोड ऑनलाइन हो लेकिन एग्जामिनेशन मोड ऑफलाइन है। एग्जामिनेशन 2 घंटे का होगा और लैंग्वेज जिसमें क्वेश्चन आपको दिया जाएगा वो होगा इन इंग्लिश एज वेल एज इन हिंदी। ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट है इसका www.upsc.gov.in। ध्यान रहे, इसी ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट से आप लोगों को नोटिफिकेशन डाउनलोड करना है एंड उसके बाद आप लोगों को फॉर्म फिलअप भी करना है। Notification for CDS 2022 examination will be out by 22nd of December 2021 and इसका जो एप्लीकेशन प्रोसेस है वो यूजुअली स्टार्ट होने वाला है in the month of December itself and it will get over by 11th January 2022. एडमिट कार्ड रिलीज होने वाला है इन द मंथ ऑफ मार्च 2022 एंड एग्जाम कमेंसमेंट डेट है April 10th 2022. The number of posts which is going to be released soon for the next year's examination वो होगा for the Indian Military Academy, that is IMA, आप लोगों को 200 posts का वैकेंसी मिल रहा है। For the Air Force Academy, that is the AFA, you are getting 32 posts. For the Officers Training Academy, MEN OTA posts के लिए आप लोगों को 175 वैकेंसीज मिल रहा है। For the Indian Naval Academy, that is INA, you are getting 45 posts. For Officers Training Academy, non-technical for the women OTA, you are getting 12 posts. एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया बहुत ही ज़रूरी होता है जिसको जानने के बाद ही आप फॉर्म फिलअप कीजिए। एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया के बारे में अगर हम बात कर रहे हैं तो स्टार्ट करते हैं विद द नेशनलिटी एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया, दैट इज़ यू हैव टू बी अ सिटीजन ऑफ इंडिया एंड और यू can be a subject of either Nepal or Bhutan, then also you can apply over here. And if you are of Indian origin and if you have migrated and you are permanently settling in India, if you are a migrant and you have permanently shifted to India, then also you are eligible for this examination. If you are a Tibetan refugee and you have settled in India permanently before January 1962, then also you are eligible for this examination. चलिए बात करते हैं about the eligibility criteria based on your age limit. Male aspirants जो unmarried है and fulfill करता है criteria of citizenship, not born earlier than January or July, not born earlier than January 1997 and not later than January 2002 are eligible to apply for the Indian Naval Academy and for the Indian Military Academy. Unmarried women widows and divorcees aspirants who are not remarried and also who fulfill the citizenship criteria are also applicable to apply for this examination. लेकिन जैसे कि मैंने already बताया है, मेल के लिए जो एज का क्राइटेरिया है, that is you shouldn't be born before 1996 or 1997 and you shouldn't have been born after 2002. So that's the eligibility criteria for the age. Now let us talk about the educational qualification eligibility criteria. Like what do you have to study or what degree you should be having for applying to this examination. Indian Naval Academy में अगर आप लोग apply करना चाहते हैं, then you must have a degree from any engineering field, from a recognized university of course, or from any kind of institution or any other equivalent degree to apply to this Naval Academy. अगर आप लोग Air Force Academy में apply करना चाहते हैं, then you should be having a bachelor's degree with maths and physics as compulsory subjects, or you might also have a bachelor's degree in engineering field from any university or any kind of institute or any other equivalent degree to apply to this academy. To apply in the Officers Training Academy and Indian Military Academy, you must be having a bachelor's degree in any field, like from any kind of recognized university or any equivalent degree to apply to this Indian Military Academy and Officers Training Academy. Let us talk about how to fill up the form, that application form. How will you fill it up? You have to go to the official website, as I have already told you. So step 1 is visit the official website upsconline.nic.in. All should be in small letters. And step 2 is there you are going to get the direct application link. You have to click on that. Next step would be to register yourself, that is new registration, and you complete that registration process and then only you are going to proceed with the further form fill up. Step 4 will be that you will get a registration number and a password in your email ID or your phone number. With whatever you are registering yourself with, you will get the ID and the password in that. It will automatically log out after you have successfully registered and you have already have that registration ID and the password. So the next step, that is step 5, would be to once again log in along with that ID and your password, and then you are going to get the apply button. Apply button पे आप लोग click कीजिए and उसके बाद आप लोगों को खुद का personal educational details fill up करना है application form में. उसके बाद जो step है वो है आप लोगों को एक recent photograph upload करना है along with a scanned copy of your signature. Next है आपको एक examination center choose करना है, and that's how you're going to proceed with the entire application form. You have to fill it up one by one. Please do check the details before submitting, that is the final submit button, as no correction is allowed once the application is submitted. Next step would be to proceed with the application fee payment, that is you have to pay. I have already told you how much you have to pay for each kind of category candidates, and you have to pay online, and there are various options online through which you can pay. After successful fee payment, you should be having a soft copy of your application form. You can have a screenshot or you can download your application form along with the fee payment receipt for further references. आप लोगों को एडमिट कार्ड मिलेगा. एडमिट कार्ड का डेट मैंने ऑलरेडी मेंशन कर दिए हैं पहले ही इस वीडियो में. जो एडमिट कार्ड है उसमें आप लोग प्लीज़ चेक कर लेना कि आपका नाम होगा, आपका डेट ऑफ बर्थ होगा, आपका फोटोग्राफ होगा, आपका जो रजिस्ट्रेशन नंबर है जब आपने रजिस्टर किए थे बिफोर फिलिंग अप द एंटायर एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म, वो रजिस्ट्रेशन नंबर लिखा होगा, आपका नेम लिखा होगा ऑफ द एग्जामिनेशन सेंटर जहाँ पे आप एग्ज़ाम देने जाओगे, and also your date of the examination and the reporting time, and whatever rules are there, all the things would be written at the back of the admit card, and whatever details I have told, those would be written in the front page. That was the entire discussion about the CDS-1 examination under the UPSC for the 2022 notification as well as for the examination. For a better preparation, you need a better coach and a better mentor. और हम सौरभ सिस क्लासेस में वो मेंटर, वो कोच आपको प्रोवाइड करेंगे. हमारे सॉल्व स्टडी मटेरियल्स आपको फ्लिपकार्ट, अमेजोन में मिल जाएगा. और अगर आपको हमारे इंस्टीट्यूशन से डायरेक्टली चाहिए, देन यू कैन गिव अस अ कॉल. इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स बिलो यू विल गेट आवर कॉन्टैक्ट डिटेल्स. डू टेक्स्ट अस, डू कॉल अस टू नो अबाउट द डिफरेंट entrance examinations and about the different competitive examinations, how you will get the help from our teachers and how we take our classes. You will get to know everything if you contact with us, and you might also check Saurav's classes website. There you will get an idea of how our teachers teach and what records we have. Moreover, we take live classes, recorded classes, access also we provide to the enrolled candidates, and daily classes are there. You will also get doubt clearing classes provision, then crash course facilities, mock test facilities, and as I told you, we are going to provide you with the access to the portal, which is available to all the enrolled candidates 24/7, and they can just go over to the portal and view those lectures as many times as possible. That's it. So that was all about our classes and also about this examination which is going to be held next year. So start your preparation right from now, and hope so you succeed in your exam. So that was all for today's class. We are going to meet once again in our next classes.